Season 5 Episode 21. Tamir Brown's second clone eats Santa's cookies / grounded.
I'm going to eat Santa's cookies. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'm going to the North Pole by using Plotagon logic. Teleport me to the North Pole, Plotagon logic. Plotagon logic, activate. Okay, here is Santa's workshop. Let's go in. Okay, here's his cookies. Let's eat it. Okay, now time to get out of here. Okay, I'm going to eat my cookies. What the? Where did my cookies go? Wait a minute, I think Tamir Brown's second clone ate my cookies. Now I'm putting him in the naughty list, and I'm calling his dad. Hello. Hello, Chorus. I'm calling you because Tamir Brown's second clone ate my cookies, and I put him in the naughty list. Please ground him.
Okay, I'm going to ground him. Tamir Brown's second clone, how dare you eat Santa's cookies? That's it, you are grounded for 10 days. Go to your room now.
Wah!
Thanks for watching.